Ginger helps to heal physiological weakness in men. Ginger erection and sexual health benefits. Ginger facts and history. Ginger root is the rhizome from the plant Zingiber officinale. Ginger is a perennial plant that can be found in many countries around the world including China, India, Southeast Asia, Mexico, West Africa, and the Caribbean. Although it's been used for over 5,000 years as a healing herb in Chinese and Indian medicine, it's also one of the most popular cooking spices in the world. The herb of passion. Known as the herb of passion, it was mentioned in the Kama Sutra, and Cleopatra was also reported to be a fan. Ginger is known as a warming herb. Contains gingerol, a chemical that is related capsaicin, which is found in peppers. The heat generated in the body after taking the herbs is similar to the body heat produced during sexual arousal, and this warming of the body increases sexual stimulation in the brain, which is reflected in a high state of sexual arousal. Increase blood flow to the penis. Ginger helps to increase the flow of blood around the body and to the genitals, and the herb has the same vacillating properties as ginkgo biloba and green tea, to dilate the blood vessels so they're wider and able to carry more blood. Ginger inhibits the buildup of cortisol, which can cause weak erections or erectile dysfunction, and works to maintain healthy blood pressure, and reduces cholesterol, which, if both are high, can reduce the flow of blood into the penis. Finally, the herb acts as an overall heart and circulatory and immune system tonic. Dosage. There is no recommended daily intake of ginger, but 4 grams of ginger per day through foods or supplementation is seen as a good amount to take. Side effects. There are no reported dangerous side effects from taking ginger, although, if taken to excess, ginger can cause heartburn, bloating, or an upset stomach. There is evidence that it can react negatively with some medications, and can interact with blood-thinning medicines, but overall it's a herb which is safe and has numerous health-giving properties. In conclusion, ginger not only has the ability to help men cure erectile dysfunction and get harder erections, the herb also acts as a general body tonic, preventing numerous health problems and helping to cure and relieve the symptoms of many illnesses. It's a tasty herb and a great addition to anyone's diet for general and sexual health. If you don't like the taste, simply take it as a daily supplement, and you can find it in all the best herbal erection pills for men.
Effects of onion on it. What you did not know. The powerful effect of the onion on the limb of men, and the number of benefits provided by the onion to maintain a good state of health. The onion contains vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin B9, also contains potassium, silice, fiber, iron, sulfur, phosphorus, calcium, lysine, leucine, arginine, folic acid, and glutamic acid. The onion prevents thrombosis and aging of the arteries and veins, thanks to its silica content. Onion also reduces cholesterol and increases the ability of blood to dissolve internal clots, thus preventing coronary thrombosis. Onion has antianemic properties thanks to iron, phosphorus, and vitamin E, which helps the generation of red blood cells and replenish the loss of blood of our body. The onion has expectorant action, as well as bactericide and fungicide. It is very useful in processes such as colds, bronchitis, pharyngitis, and other respiratory conditions. These benefits are only given when raw onions are consumed. The use of onion as a stimulant in intimacy is not current. In ancient Rome, the onion was consumed to increase libido. When it reached the Middle Age, it was banned in many religious houses because of its properties to improve life intimate of couples. The onion improves circulation in the limb area and fills you with energy. To obtain these properties, chop a medium-sized onion and add fresh honey and mix. Take 3 tablespoons of this mixture every morning and 3 in the afternoon. The onion is a very effective stimulant that constitutes a good remedy that helps to recover and stimulate the intimate desire, this is because it improves the sanguine irrigation in the member, giving a better firmness. The onion gives men strength in their limbs and helps them combat premature ejaculation naturally, so you can last longer in bed with your partner. The potasio that contains the foods, like in this case the onion, helps to increase the intimate desire, since the potasio plays a fundamental role in the hormones related to the sexuality. Simply put, the onion increases libido. The onion contains large amounts of quercetin. This substance has the particularity of favoring the blood circulation of the body, especially in the limb of men. Now I'm going to show you 2 more ways to consume onions to get good benefits in bed and in our health. Number 1. Cut into thin quarters a quarter of onion, add the juice of 2 lemons and a spoonful of olive oil, then eat it all. Number 2. Bring to boil for 5 minutes 2 chopped onions and 2 cloves of garlic in a liter of water, then remove from the casserole and let stand for 10 minutes, then strain and sweeten to your taste with honey. Take a glass in the morning and another in the afternoon. The onion also possesses many healthy virtues, combats acne, anemia, angina, asthma, cellulite, depression, slow and heavy digestions, eczema, constipation, flatulence, gastritis, gout, hemorrhoids, herpes, hypercholesterolemia, hypertension, insomnia, obesity, is antibiotic, is anti-cancer, is antioxidant, is antiseptic, and depurative. The onion practically serves everything. We can find it in any big or small market throughout the year, and its price is very accessible, so there are no excuses to consume onion. In just 1 second you can get your husband to be in shock. The vagina loses its fit when women become sexually active, and as the years pass, it loses much of its initial adjustment. In many cases, this can affect the relationship. A narrow vagina is very important for the woman, as far as sexual is concerned. But it is even more so for her husband. To treat this condition, there are a number of methods that can help you regain a good measure of the adjustment of the muscles of your vagina in a quick way. Here are some simple tips you can try at home. 1. Gooseberry. Cook some prickly grapes in water and save the rest in a bottle. When you take a bath every day, apply this solution over the vagina. This will quickly restore the elasticity of your vagina. 2. Oak galls. It is a Thai herb that contains lubrication and is a strong soothing. Helps narrow the walls of the vagina. 3. Curcuma commissa. This spice strengthens the walls of the uterus. This herb strengthens the walls of the vagina as well as the pelvic tissue in only 1 month. 4. Pueraria mirifica. It is also used for breast enlargement. According to some experts, using this home remedy to tighten your vagina is very helpful, as it gives this one a firmer push. 5. Witch hazel. To make your vagina narrower, you must grind the dust from this herb and wash your parts with this once a week. 6. Black cohosh. This is the most used herb to tighten the vagina. It is after 50 years of age. 7. Aloe vera. It is recommended to prevent dryness and irritation of the vagina. It is also used for the quick relief of genital problems. Aloe vera strengthens the muscles of the vagina. Apply gel while you bathe and wash with water. Remember, these are tips and you should always consult your doctor before applying these home remedies.